guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review of this beautiful hair that I have in my head right now. So if you want to see how I curled this hair, how I achieved this look, and my thoughts about this hair from ISEE Hair, keep on watching. So I thought it would be really good for you guys to see how this hair curls while I give this review. This hair is freshly washed. It is in the body wave texture. When you do wash the hair, it is more curlier than, well, not curly, but more of a body wave. But I did brush and comb it out. So let's get into the review. I got this hair from ISEE Hair from their official website. They do have an Aliexpress website. So I ordered this hair and I received it after ordering the hair about 2 days after. So shipping roughly took about 2 days, which is really good and really quick. When I received the hair, it did come in, this is the curls really well. When I received the hair, it did come in like a typical packaging. Actually no, it came like in a really nice Ziploc bag. I don't have that with me anymore, but it did come in that, which I really liked. It had the company's name on it, etc. Also, the hair came in its natural body wave texture, which was beautiful, kind of like what I just curled my hair into. The hair did not have any scent or bad smell or anything like that, which is really good. So shortly after receiving this hair, my friend did make this into a wig for me. She did like this hair. It was really full from what she said. She didn't end up using all 3 bundles. She actually had some left over because the hair was really full, which I don't know if you can tell. It's very full. Like, it's full, but it does not feel full. So you can definitely, if you want to, you can definitely go for 4 bundles and it would look as full but not be heavy. So going into the pros and cons of this hair, I'm gonna be like 100% honest. I don't have any cons with this hair. Like, I honestly really have none whatsoever. The hair does not shed. It does not smell. When I'm curling this hair right now, it is having like that burning hair scent, but it's not having that scent where it's like bad burning weave. The hair is full root to tip. The frontal, I do have some questions about the frontal, but we're gonna get to that. But overall, the hair itself is beautiful. Like, it curls beautiful. I did straighten this hair once upon a time and it did straighten like sleek and nice. I just don't have any cons for this hair. Like I don't, and I'm just being really honest. I bought this hair with my own money. This is like my honest review, and I can honestly say that like I don't have any cons. I have had top of the line hair from her imports, which was one of the best hair that I have ever had in my life, and honestly this hair comes to par with that, like if not even better. And for the price that I paid, I am 100% satisfied. So overall, I paid about $165 for 22, 18, 20 and a 16-inch frontal. Like, that is so affordable. So like, for the quality of the hair and how much I paid, like, I got something good on my hands. The con that I do have about the hair is that it's not even the hair, it's the frontal. The frontal was not transparent whatsoever. So like, when I bleached it, it looked a little ashy. So like, you have to manipulate, tint this hair. I wasn't able to get like the hair dye to tint it properly, so I did dip the frontal in some tea, did that tea method. It did work, but after washing the hair, it comes out. So I didn't do that right now. I just put a lot of foundation on, so hopefully, you know, it doesn't look too horrible to you guys. But yeah, no, this hair does not have any smell of any sort when it comes to flattering and straightening the hair, which I love. So I did just finish straightening this side of the hair, and this is how it came out. This hair does hold a beautiful curl, as you guys can see here. So moving on to the other side of my head, I did want to talk about the pros of this hair. Like I said, I don't really have much cons for this hair, just except for the frontal. It's not my favorite. It was not very easy to manipulate. It still is not easy to manipulate to me, but this hair is, it's perfect. Like, it feels like expensive virgin hair. Like, I'm not even gonna like lie to you whatsoever. This hair is amazing to me. I love it. It is affordable. The reason why I'm even curling it on video is because like I just needed something to do to make this video longer, because I have nothing bad about this hair. Shedding, this hair does not shed like whatsoever. Like, I am brushing my hair. It doesn't, like, this hair doesn't shed. It doesn't shed. It didn't smell. The shipping was fast. It is cheap. Like, I feel like I got like a mystery bundle pack or whatever shipped to me, because like I'm just not understanding how good this hair is. If anything, I can comment on the like flyaways. I don't know if you see this, but like I don't like that, but it doesn't bother me. Like, I'll just gel it down, spray it down, and it will last all day. In conjunction with like the weather and stuff, like how does this hair react to everyday weather? Like, the hair, when you style it away, it lasts long. Like, if I curl it right now, the curls are gonna last me like all day. If it rains, the hair of course is gonna react, which is why I feel like this is virgin hair, but you can't be too safe with these vendors. But wherever they got this damn thing, it is beautiful. Super quick, super easy to curl. This is me combing out the curls. Like, it's bouncy. Yeah, this is the final look. I'm be curling this hair. Sorry, I'm just like looking at myself, but guys, like this hair looks so good. Oh my gosh, this hair. So basically, guys, this hair is bomb. ISEE hair is bomb. Like, I'm super shocked with this hair. I'm shocked at how good it is, how beautiful it is, how full it is. Like, I'm just like 100% shocked. Like, I love this hair. It curls so beautifully. Like, it curls so beautifully. It straightens even better. It is full. It is thick. It is soft. Like, I have no cons about this hair. Overall, like, this hair is a perfect 10. Like, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, seeing me curl this hair, review this hair. I will leave all the details about this hair in the description box below, but please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.